Hey guys, I hope y'all are doing really well. I wanted to do a quick run through on how to reattach a film to a broken reel on VHS tape. You can see here that the tape has come off, or the film has come off. First you have to actually open it up, so be sure just to break any labels or seals that are on there and remove the screws. Usually there's 5. Next thing you're going to want to do is take a look and find the end of the film there so that you can pull it out and get some slack on it. And then you want to take out the empty reel and undo the top plastic part. And just take a little dab of hot glue and put it in there. Make sure it's as flat as you can get it, because you don't want it to push up on the film. And then after that, you just reattach the plastic cover. You turn it a little bit to get it prepped. You put it back together, and after that, it's as easy as just putting it in your VCR and getting it going. I hope that helped. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you next time.